This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Main beam. Reach behind the headlight and pull away the rubber cap. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminal. Push the top of the retaining clip to one side and fold it down. Withdraw the bulb from the reflector socket. Taking care not to touch the glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the reflector socket. Note that the bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Fold up the retaining clip and engage it with the catch on the reflector socket. Firmly push the wiring plug onto the bulb terminal. Refit the rubber cap. Dipped beam. Remove the rubber cap from the rear of the headlight and pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Turn the bulb's outer retaining ring anti-clockwise to the stop and withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the reflector socket, aligning the lug on the bulb flange with the slot in the socket. Rotate the retaining ring clockwise to secure the bulb. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals. Refit the rubber cap. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.